Many of you guys have this problem, but I did. Every time you lean on it, so they said, "What? How do you fix it?" So you take the door panel off, and you're gonna pretty much 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Get some screws. We'll start off with the middle one. These are, I think, my best option with the screws. It's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check that out. Like new. That's right. Perfect. So, that easy as that. Now we put it back together. Make another video of that. Should have took a video when I took it off, but putting it back together is just a reverse to take it off. So check it out. All right, y'all, check it out. The other side, it has it too. See that? So very easy fix. Check it out. All right, that one didn't want to come out, so I gotta get a screwdriver and then pop that guy out. Let's see here. That one comes out nicely. This one, it's a T15 torque bit. It's a 2-piece thing, so sometimes they don't come out right away, but definitely will. Okay, we need this one here. Alright, and we need this one. Get yourself a little flathead and just stick it in there. Whoa. Alright, so now we pop these out. 1, 2, 3. I know there's a tool for this, but I don't have it, so I'm not gonna go buy it just to do this one time, or I should say 2 times, front and back. I mean, driver and passenger. All right, so now we got that. You get your Phillips. This cover comes off. This cover here. It's just 2 clips, and then you gotta get this little cover. Try to do it in a spot where you're not gonna notice it too much. You can't even see nothing. It didn't do anything. It's a big Phillips. I would say screw, but it's more like a bolt. All right, you put your knee under and you push it up. Oh yeah, you gotta take this out first. Back in. Pop it up. Then what I like to do, pop this up. There you go, out there. Let's pop that up. Pop that out. Okay. They're in that cabinet. This one. Nice and tight. with another one here. Yes, sir. Holy moly, you got me the huge one. So this one, the little plastic part was already off, so I didn't have a washer, so I used this clip that I had from my dishwasher. That works better than the washer, honestly. But yeah, that's what it is. That's it. Simple fix. Boom. Now we put it back together. So we put it back together. There's clips here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all those clips need to get into their slots. So I mean, it seems like a little hard, but it's not very hard at all. Make sure you plug everything back in, because then you will have to redo it again, and that's not cool. As long as you put it flat against here, you should be able to put it back in properly. Take this guy out. It's a little easier for the lock button to pop up. There you go. Everything is nice and flat against the door, and just slide it down. Put this guy back on, and we reverse the process. Snaps in. That's activated. Snap that in. Put that in. Okay. Good. Okay. Snaps in, and now we just first put these clips in there. 6 of them. Six. And it's cruising. That should do it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Mad love and respect. Oh yeah, snap that guy in. That just snaps in. And last two. Alright guys, you guys have a good day. Fixed. No more gap.